What's the meaning of Cleopatra's Needle? Cleopatra's Needle. Cleopatra's Needle.
Cleopatra's Needle. Cleopatra's Needle. Cleopatra's Needle is the nickname of an ancient Egyptian obelisk that was transported to London and New York City in the late 19th century. The obelisk is over 3,000 years old and was originally erected in the Egyptian city of Heliopolis. It stands at around 69 feet tall and weighs over 180 tons. Despite its nickname, the obelisk has no direct connection to Cleopatra and was actually commissioned by Pharaoh Thutmose III. The transportation of the obelisk to its current locations was a remarkable engineering feat for its time.